Hello, I'm Jal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna speak about the words that make sentences negative. For making sentences negative, we generally use the particle not. For present simple, we generally use do not. I play soccer. I do not play soccer, or I don't play soccer. You play soccer. You do not play soccer, or you don't play soccer. She plays soccer. She doesn't play soccer, or she does not play soccer. Pay attention, when we say does not, we don't use s at the end of the verb. So we don't say she does not plays soccer, we say she doesn't play soccer. For past simple, we use did not for making sentences negative. We played soccer. We didn't play soccer. They played soccer. They didn't play soccer. And here, pay attention. In negative, when we say didn't or did not, we don't use the suffix ed at the end of the verb. So we don't say he didn't played soccer. We say he didn't play soccer. We have other ways for making sentences negative. For changing the affirmative sentences into negative sentences. So let's speak about them. For example, hardly. Hardly means almost not. I hardly understand you. It means I don't understand you. I understand you very little. Another way for making sentences negative is using the word never. Never means at not any time, at not any occasion. So we say, I never drink tea. It means I don't drink tea. I drink tea at not any time. I never listen to pop music. It means I don't like pop music and I listen to it at not any time. You never understand me. It means you don't understand me. And it happens every time. It repeats every time. We can also use negative pronouns for making sentences negative. We can use no, nobody, no one, nothing, nowhere, neither. For example, I can see everything on the table, but there is no bread on the table. Is there anybody in the room? No, I can't see anybody. There is nobody in the room. Or there is no one in the room. Where will you travel in summer? I'll go nowhere in summer. I'll stay at home. Which shirt shall I buy for you? Which one did you like? You can say neither or neither. I don't like this one and that one. Which color do you like, red or black? Neither. I don't like red or I don't like black. I like another color. It's yellow. There are also some words that are used only in negative sentences. For example, yet. We use yet when we talk about something that hasn't happened, but you expect it to happen. I haven't bought a car yet, but I plan to buy it when I have enough money. Nobody has come yet. I can't see anybody in the room, but I expect somebody to come. You can also use yet in question. Have you learned English yet? Not yet. I haven't learned it yet, but I am still learning. Has anybody come yet? No one yet. But I am expecting somebody to come. You can also use either in negative sentences. Either means the situation is similar to one already said. One says, I have never had Chinese food. The other says, I have never had Chinese food either. Or you can say in a short form, I haven't either. Her explanation wasn't good. The other says, your explanation wasn't good either. The situations are similar. I don't like fruit. My sister doesn't like fruit either. We have the same taste. You can also use at all in negative sentences. And at all comes at the end of the sentences. For example, I don't understand your explanation at all. I don't understand any single word. Can you cook anything? I can't cook anything at all. I can't cook even a fried egg. So if you liked the video, you can click on the like button below, and if you haven't understood the lesson yet, you can write your questions in the comments. See you in the next lesson.